Today, I'm going to put a fire alarm in Rachel's bed so it can tell her to shut the fuck up and sleep. Now, I better get out of here before I get caught.
Later that night.
Good night, Rachel. See you in the morning. And we can go to the playground and have a picnic at the park.
Good night, Daddy.
Sleep, sleep. You need to sleep, idiot.
Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy!
Rachel, sweetheart, what's wrong?
There was a fire alarm in my bed telling me to shut up and sleep. I didn't know how to get there. It was so scary and it scared me while I was sleeping.
Don't worry, Rachel. I'll remove the fire alarm.
I'll be gone to drink some water, but first I need to go potty.
I'm concerned. How did the fire alarm get in Rachel's bed?
I don't know, Ronan. I think someone sneaked in our house to put the fire alarm in Rachel's bed. Now let's remove this.
Jesus Christ. Allen is assaulting our daughter. We need to go save her and stop this abusive man. I think he was the one who put the fire alarm in Rachel's bed. Hey you, leave my daughter alone.
No, you pig!
Did you call me a pig, you retard? Okay, I'll give you a really good scolding. Allen fucking Hernberger. How fucking dare you abuse my daughter? Put a fire alarm in her bed so it can tell her to shut the fuck up and sleep. That's not how fire alarms say that. They tell people to evacuate the building.
No, they tell them to shut up and sleep, you N-word.
Oh my freaking god. Did you call me the N-word? You violated on a restraining order after you abducted our daughter? I'm calling the cops.
Allen Hernberger, you're under arrested for violating on a restraining order, child abuse on that little girl, and replacing a fire alarm on her bed to tell her to shut up and sleep. Let's go to your cell now.
It's okay, Rachel. You're safe now. Now we're gonna remove the fire alarm and put your sleeping mobile back in your bed.
And I'll get the first aid kit to remove the bruises.
Gosh, Allen really abused you, Rachel. I can't believe he assaulted you so badly, but don't worry, he's in jail now.
Good thing I don't have to see this abusive man who abducted me while I was on a field trip to the aquarium. He kind of assaulted me so badly, and now my body hurts a lot.
It's okay, Rachel. I'm healing you. This cream will remove the bruises quickly. Now let me put you back to bed.
And I already removed the fire alarm on your bed, Rachel, and I'm gonna tell Penelope Percy to sold it on eBay.
I don't have to deal with this sleep alarm anymore.
Good night, Rachel. Hope the bruises will be gone. And I will take you to McDonald's to get you a Happy Meal to cheer you up after Allen abused you. And we can go to the park to eat your Happy Meal.
Good night, Daddy. See you in the morning.
Thanks for watching.